Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by securing your data and powering the device. First, back up photos and files to Samsung Cloud or your Google account so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure the tablet has more than 50% battery or stay plugged in to avoid interruption. You'll also need your Samsung or Google sign-in and the device PIN because factory reset protection requires verification. Now, press and hold the power and volume up buttons to begin recovery mode. This is your first actionable step. You're in recovery mode where the actual reset happens. Use the volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset. This moves through options without a touchscreen. Press power to confirm selection so the tablet prepares to erase user data and restore factory software. This removes accounts and apps but keeps the factory firmware. Make sure you chose the right option because this cannot be undone. Once you confirm yes, the tablet will run the wipe. Wait for the process to finish until the recovery menu shows again. After wiping, select Reboot System Now, and the tablet restarts into a clean setup. You'll sign in with the same Samsung or Google account used before the reset to satisfy factory reset protection. This is why credentials were required earlier. If the device won't boot or freezes, try booting back to recovery and rerun the wipe, or use Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC for software repair. If all else fails, contact Samsung support. Explain you completed a factory reset and provide proof of ownership to recover access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.